I'm here.
How can you help me? I'm in labor.
It's okay. I got you. Don't worry, an ambulance is coming.
Are you okay?
Thanks, firefighter Barbie.
No problem.
My dog!
Don't worry, I'll get him.
Oh, it's okay.
No! The baby's coming!
Get down.
Oh!
Just one more push.
Oh!
Congratulations, ma'am. It's a... Oh, no. I'm sorry. Sorry, little one. I hope you live a good life.
It's been 17 years since the death of firefighter Barbie, but now the question is, who will be the next Barbie? The next Barbie will get a reward of $5 million, and millions of them will be sold to kids across the world. Who has what it takes to be the next Barbie?
Whoa. Wow. It's the Barbie store. Whoa. Boo! Is this thing real?
Hi, I'm Ken.
You're real?
I sure am. I'm Glamping Ken doll.
Awesome!
He wouldn't survive one day in the outdoors.
Who are you?
Well, I'm Safari Barbie.
Whoa.
Don't listen to her. You want the Glamping Ken Barbie.
You don't want that.
My Ken doll! Oh, are you okay, me?
Excuse me, but how dare you?
How dare me?
At this point, you look like you're from the 60s or 70s.
Where are you even from? Are you from Australia or England?
I'm not here
They're
to
both
find
made
a
up
doll.
islands.
I just want to be a doll myself.
Wait.
What?
What?
I'm serious.
You'll never be
See?
This is a broke Barbie box.
She doesn't even have a theme.
You're right. Also, I hate you.
I hate you too.
She's right. I don't have a theme. I don't have what it takes, firefighter Barbie.
Hi, I'm Ken Barbie, Glamping Edition, and I'm gonna show you why I deserve to be the next special edition Barbie. I've got all the amenities. As a seasoned outdoorsman, nature is my best friend, and a bear! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I gotta get out of here. Is it still over there? Ah! 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 Huh? What? Huh? I wonder where he went. What's that sound? Oh, brother.
Wow, nature. Maybe this is my theme, firefighter Barbie.
I knew he couldn't handle the outdoors. You see, nature is beautiful, but it should only be experienced by a professional. You want to know about plants, logs, and you need to catch wildlife, like this animal over here. Got it.
Ooh. What?
Bingo.
What's going on?
Barbie, what are you doing here?
I'm just trying to find my theme.
You're ruining my documentary.
I'm sorry.
Why, you little... Uh-oh.
Oh no! Wait! Help me! You can't just leave me. I
I'm gonna get out of here if it's the last thing I do.
Barbies are scary. What a day.
Breaking news! Glamping Ken Barbie was killed after a tree fell on him. And where in the world is Safari Barbie? Unfortunately, she was lost while making a documentary.
Missing? But I just saw her.
And with our two most powerful contenders gone, I guess all we're left with is broke Barbie? What a joke. No one's gonna vote for poor Barbie.
How humiliating! I'm not good enough to be Barbie!
Hey kid, don't cry.
Firefighter Barbie?
That's right. I know you're meant for great things, Zoey.
I am?
That's right. From experience, I know that you're meant to be a Barbie like me.
Thanks, Firefighter Barbie. You've always been my hero. What's that sound?
It sounds like your destiny.
It's Safari Barbie.
Well, everyone thinks I disappeared and I got all the money. We're rich! Let's go.
I wonder what she's... Huh? Firefighter Barbie? I know exactly who I am.
No one can stop us now!
Not if I can help it.
Come on, Cece, let's go travel the world. Who is that?
It's me, Police Barbie. You're under arrest for robbery.
What?
You heard me. Move it.
Oh, wait, my dog!
Breaking news, Safari Barbie, who stole the Barbie reward of $5 million, was actually just arrested by our new #1 contender and winner of the Barbie contest this year, Police Barbie.
Stop! In the name of the law!
Congratulations, Police Barbie.
Say cheese. Welcome to your new home, Safari Barbie.
Who do you think you are?
You'll never be Barbie! Never!
Really? You're just gonna stand there like that?
That's right, I'm Police Barbie.
Hi everyone!
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!